Let's cook Chinese sausage steamed potatoes slices today. Soaked Chinese sausage will help ease to remove casing. Chinese sausage remove casing and sliced. Peel potatoes and sliced. Arrange Chinese sausage and potatoes slices into steam plate. Doesn't it look like a beautiful flower? It's so beautiful. Steam for 10 minutes until potatoes is cooked. Chinese sausage steamed potato is done. Looks so beautiful. The flavors of potatoes and sausages blend together really well. It's appetizing. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is Chinese sausage and potatoes taste in every bite. So yummy. This dish is great for entertaining guests, so remember to learn it. Do share this delicious recipe to friends and family too. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.